Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I am bringing you a teen room makeover on a budget. So this is a little bit of footage of my daughter's room before we took it in a more grown-up boho style. She's had a lot of these things for many years. The curtains had stains on them. The colors were faded, and it was just time. We had put these shelves up years ago when she was little to store all kinds of miniature doll houses for her littlest pet shops. Now we're not going to be changing any of the large furniture pieces. We're just gonna go with the decorative items. And I'm going to reorganize a few things, including these mirrors up here. As you can tell, it's a little room. So I'm just going to try to brighten up the area, make it feel fresh and more grown up. This is another thing that's just got to go. It's been stained with nail polish and all kinds of things over the years. Over here in her vanity area, we're going to update this, make it a little more boho. And we have a couple friends over, as evidenced by the backpacks all over the place. So this is just an idea of her color scheme. We had a lot of floral, and we're ditching all that, including the puffy curtains, for a much more modern boho grown-up look. So this is her finished room makeover on a budget, and we think it turned out great. Now, I used quite a few things that we had around the house. I picked up a couple things from thrift stores, and we just put up some new shelves with much more modern lines. Behind her door, we put up this little wrought iron heart that I had used in my Valentine's decor for her to store some of her loose photos. Over here, I have a couple of arrows that I picked up years back for my boys' room, and we never used them. So we sprayed them black and added them to the decor on her new shelves. Now for her new shelving area, we picked up some new wood from Home Depot, cut it into 3 pieces, and used these brackets from IKEA. My husband just cut off the fronts of them so they wouldn't stick out and no one would get injured. And another bonus is we already had them. Over here, I used a planter from the 99 cents only store to store some of her nail polish. Now this area is a walkway to her closet, so we didn't want anything that stuck out too far, but we wanted an area to decorate and a place for her to put her photos of friends. Over here, I made this little succulent arrangement using 2 acrylic planters from the Dollar Tree. I just unscrewed the hooks, screwed them together, and filled them with Dollar Tree succulents and gravel. Down here, I have a few little tchotchkes from the 99 cent store, including the elephants and the sphere, her little light box. I also picked up this planter from my 99 cents only store, added some succulents and gravel again from the Dollar Tree, and DIY'd this on my own. Now moving over to her vanity area. We didn't change a whole lot. We cleaned it up and just switched out a few pieces for a more boho look. Starting with this piece of artwork we found at Hobby Lobby on 50% off for $17. And this macrame that we got at Five Below for just $5. Down here, everything is pretty much the same. The only addition we made is another 99-cent only store planter for her makeup brushes to add a little bit of black to this side of the room. We found this lotus lamp at a local thrift store for just $6. Brought it home and cleaned it up. Over here, you can see that her mirrors are still up. It's quite a collection, and we just made a few changes. Hi guys. So this is actually a Dollar Tree mirror. You guys may recognize them. I did spray them a different color gold, and I added them to the collection, including the tall, narrow mirror that I found at a thrift store. Down here on her dresser, we picked up a new table runner just to protect her dresser, and that is from IKEA. It was a nice way to add some black over here to all the pastels and gold. And of course, I found another planter at the 99-cent store in gold and added some succulents to it. This is a little tub we've had for years that we use to display all her bath bombs. And now on to her bedding. So her bedding was a lot of fun, but it was a challenge. So I ended up making a few things, buying a few things, and just mixing it all together. First, I got a pink duvet off of Amazon. Then I picked up this mandala wall hanging tapestry, also from Amazon for $6, and I just covered her existing pillow cover. I used the zipper and just sewed it right on around the existing pillow cover. I used the remnants to make this pillow, including pieces from her curtains. And this is actually a pillow cover I got at Hobby Lobby using my coupon. Here is her DIY headboard that I made using some Christmas lights and shears. I'll go ahead and post that video right here. And her wall art. So these are all little things that I've picked up at thrift stores. These were each $2. I found them at different thrift stores on different days, painted them black, and put them together. I love the way it turned out. So $6 in for her artwork on this wall. I did paint the background of the original white piece gold to bring in a little more gold from her wall decals. And we already had the throw blankets. Now you guys remember I did a DIY dream catcher, and that was a lot of fun. And I did that to hang in the middle of her new curtains. So I used her sheets that we got at Target, and I took the flat sheet to make the bottom half of her curtains. The top half is fabric that I picked up on sale from Joann's, and the tassels I got on another sale on another day from Hobby Lobby. And that was a way to seam the two fabrics together and make it look like it was on purpose. Over here, I moved the lamp that we had over the head of her bed to her dressing area. So this is all stuff we had, we just kind of remade it a little. Starting off with the lamp. Now it had a silver base, so I spray painted that gold. Now the mirror was gold, but the wrong gold. So I just took a brush one day, sat down, and gave it a nice new coat of a brighter gold. This is something that she uses to store her hairbrushes in, and we were not going to buy another one. This is what it used to look like before it got its makeover. Now over her closet, we ditched the curtain idea and went with another wall hanging that we found on Amazon for just $10. Finally, on the floor, I found this rug at Hobby Lobby. It's originally $44 and I got it at 50% off. It's the perfect size and brings another print into the room. So that's the whole room. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I remade her room for a more grown-up teen boho look on a budget. If you have any questions, please post them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon in the next video.